Ikaw, gusto mo mag-fish? No?
Saka.
Taas mo, Rafa, taas. Taas mo, Rafa. Taas mo, taas. Wala, oh. Ayun na, ayun na. Pull, Rafa, pull. Pull. Si Mama din.
Picture sa siya.
Ah, Mama, picture. Ilagay mo pa sa harap. Leia. Si Mama.
Picture.
Mama and Leia. Nakasmile lang. Kakainin natin yan.
Kainin natin.
Oo. Rafa, one more?
One more?
Sige, one more.
Marami. Ba itong isla natin
Tilapia.
Ay. Pili nga dito. In front of my leg. Para you can hold. Ready? One. Tayo dalawa.
Sige, layo mo pa, layo.
Ayun na. Meron na. Yeah. Dami natin isda.
Wala pa, steady ka lang. Ayun na. Huwag mo igalaw.
Lumalapit na.
Ayun na, ayun na. Pag may humigit na, pull ka rin, pull. Pull, Rafa, pull.
Wow, big one.
Natakot siya.
Hawak.
Hold it.
Sama ka, Leia. Oo. Okay na.
Hina pa yung...
Ito gibangon.
Ayun yung worms, oh. Hila lang. Mawalo ka the worms.
Go.
In the soil.
1.6.
Yan lang kasi. Look at that big one. This is the one you caught.
One more.
Can I go down? There shouldn't be cars here, only people. And train.
Leia. Slowly lang, Leia. Slowly. Baka madapa kapag sobrang takbo ka. Oo.
And you might bump into a low branch of a tree.
Rest. Ang ganda ng rainbow, no?
Move it to the side. Yes. Move it to the side.
Malakas.
Move it to the side. Dito ka sa other side. Pull it all the way.
Ayaw nga. Up the hill, up the hill, up the hill. That's Dada's bag. Wait, rain.
Doon kayo.
Let's go to the
I thought you were going to ride a dinosaur.
Ikaw din, Leia? Leia, lulusot sa ilalim. Ang daya mo, hindi ka lumulusot. Mhm, mhm. Oh, Kuya is the winner. Kuya, be careful. Bilis, umuulan na.
Then you will slide.
Sige yan. Mataas ha. Kaya? Kaya? Try mo lang. Hold hands. Hold hands. Hold hands. Dada. Sige. Kaya mo? Kaya mo yan. Sige, sige. Ready? Set, go.
No,
Kaya mo? Isang mabilis lang yun. Hawakan kita. Oh. In count of 3. 1, 2. Hawak kita. Go. Hawak kita. Sige, sige. Go na. Go. Go. Hawak kita. Sige, sige. Don't panic. Don't panic.
Slow kasi there's rain.
Ah.
Bagal eh. Leah's turn.
Yay! Yung pants mo, Rafa, nilinis. How about Leia?
Isa. Ready?
Already?
Oh, yes.
Hold hands, Leia. Ha? Hold. Ready, set, go.
Moving. Go down. Ano ba yun? You're the slowest slider I know. Again.
Sabi mo, isa lang. Tama na, umuulan na, oh. Oh, one last. One last, go. Tapak niyo yun, tinapakan niyo yan, Kaya mo na mag-isa? Oh, sige, 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait for Leah. Use your leg, not your knee.
Leia,
Leg,
basa
not your knee.
mo.
Leg. Yan. Stay strong. Yes, go. Go. Point to your hand. Taas na. Oh, go. Go.
Pupo.
Oy.
Napupo ka na? Go down.
Go down. O, sige. Put your
Kuya naman.
baba. Baba yung isang pa. Jerry. Are you sure you don't want to try? Ayan, sige kuya, go all the way.
Ito yung sakit. Yung sakit.
Sige.
Slippery kasi eh.
Slippery. Kapit ka, kapit. Ipaa mo, yung paa. Paa gamitin. Oh.
Dapat strong feet and balance yung point. Kasi yung shoes nyo, hindi. You want to go up again?
Kaya pa? Paano ka bababa? Kaya pa bumaba?
How can I go to the other side?
Figure it out.
Like that?
Hmm.
How can I go to the other side?
Kailangan mo umikot. Ikot ka. Hands. Sige. Paa.
I can do it.
I-step mo lang isang paa mo. Kaya pa? Hindi na. Kaya pa? Sige, ikot. Sige. Ikot. Next foot dito. Ano, kaya pa? Hindi na.
No.
Hindi na. Sige. Diyan ka lang, ha? Diyan ka lang. Diyan ka lang. Diyan ka lang. Wow! Nagawa mo! Up here! Up here!
I can do it right on my own, not scared.
Mhm. Obstacle course. Mhm. Effort. Kaya pa? Rafa.
Why? Go down, yes. Yes. You can even do it from the inside. Doing it from the inside. Challenge. Trick or what things? Yeah, you have to use your arms in there. Yes, it's like Ninja Warrior. Taas yung kamay.
Taas.
You can put yourself in the other pa.
Igit. Ayan.
Alright, yan.
Yan,
Tayo.
pwede din yan.
Okay. Tayo, stand up.
Stand up.
Straighten your legs. Then,
Ooh.
Obstacle. Hey, wait for me. You might bump or is it right?
You have to start from the rainbow. Nagpa-fog. Nagpapag sa taas, oh.
Straighten your legs. Strong legs. Strong legs. Straighten them. It's okay. Stand up straight. Straighten your legs. Hindi ka mahulog eh. Yeah.
Tinin, tinin, tinin. Tinin, tinin, tinin. Wow!
Mama.
Look at that.
Look at here. Look at here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1.
Yan. Straighten your legs.
Kita yung city sa baba.
Pwede naman tayo bumunta sa Jack Street. Ipaw. Pag mga baba, pihen. Pihen. I don't know what they
How about Dada?
set up.
Ayan. Aba, ang sungit naman. Bye!